friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I have weird hair today and it's gonna be fine. We're gonna get through it. We have a Stitch fix. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you would like to, there's a referral link down below for $25 towards your first box. Use it or it's still gonna be there even if you don't use it. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver. Stitch Fix sends you 5 items and they do the fix preview where you can like pick some of them and then fill in the rest with whatever you don't want, you know, or not whatever you don't want. They fill in the rest with with stuff that you didn't pick. Anyway, they send you back the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. They send you your note and your prices. Let's read our note. I think I picked 2 things. Hi Rachel, welcome to your latest fix. I hope that you are doing well. I'm thrilled to see you've chosen some vibrant pieces for your wardrobe. I am wearing vibrant today. You know, I don't know, life's too short. The dark green Market and Spruce button-down shirt is a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down. Pair it with the dark purple Market and Spruce skirt for a cohesive color-blocked look that's perfect for transitioning from day to night. The blue Modilux clutch, ooh, a clutch. I haven't gotten a purse from them in a while. Clutch will add a pop of color and a touch of sophistication to any outfit. For a more formal or evening look, the red Geely V-neck sleeveless maxi dress is a standout choice. It's a beautiful piece that speaks volumes on its own, but can be accessorized with the blue Modilux clutch for an added layer of elegance. This combination is sure to make a statement wherever you go. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions. Cheers, Hallie. Thanks, Hallie. All right. We'll take out our little bundle. Oh, I thought the clutch is not in the bundle. That is big. Look how big that is. That's bigger than I thought it would be. You know, this is a tan line, in case anyone was wondering. When I read in my pool, I'm like this and the sun doesn't see my neck. So that looks cool. Anyway, here's our bundle. Look at this clutch. Look at this clutch first. This is cute. And it has, you guys, this is cute. Has a gold strap. I couldn't think of the word. That is cute. I'm gonna leave the plastic on because I don't know if I'm keeping it. But the little tassel, it's like black and blue and white and like a neon. It's like a, is it plasticky? It almost looks like plasticky, but I can't tell. But let's open it up. There's a zipper, camera. There's 2 snaps that keep it closed. There's a pocket here, and it folds like that. So a pocket there, and then it has a big zipper pocket in the top part. And there's 2 pockets to hold things like lipsticks and stuff, and then there is a zipper part. It's so hard to show you because it's so deep in there. There's a zipper part in there too. This is really cute. So you could carry it like just a clutch, or you could do it with a strap. That's cute. That's cute and something different. I wonder how much it is. We'll find out at the end. Stay tuned. That's cute. I like that a lot, actually. I wasn't sure when she said clutch. I'm like, but that's pretty big. All right, and we'll open our bundle up. This is cute. She didn't say anything about a tank top. Did I pick this? I can't remember. A peplum. If you watched my last Wantable video, there's a peplum top in that one too. Look how cute that is. That's adorable. And I am going, it is sewn right there too. We are going to visit my husband's cousin in a couple weeks. Ooh, and we're going like on a wine tasting. That might be cute. Hopefully it fits. That might be cute. And then we have, oh, sorry, I didn't read it. I didn't read the clutch either. I'm so sorry. I'm out of practice. It's been a really busy summer. The Modilux Palermo Stitch Detailed Clutch in blue. That's cute. And this is an exclusive throwback. 9 Britain. Where's the other tag? There it is. 9 Britain Tilly Faux Wrap Cropped Blouse in purple, size XL. That's really cute. I hope it fits. And we have Market and Spruce Donna button-down shirt in dark green, size XL. So just a nice little striped shirt. Like I could wear it to work. I've been really into like wearing kind of button down shirts lately, so that's kind of cute. And I have a pair of green work pants that are like, that could go with that if I was doing like a tonal look. And then we have a purple skirt with buttons down the front. That's cute, it's stretchy. It has belt loops too. It has pockets, that's cute. And it is Market and Spruce Luna button front skirt in dark purple. Market and Spruce, where's the front? Here she is. Very wrinkly though, so that would not pack well, I would say. This is driving me nuts. And then she said this was red, but this is orange. This is for sure orange. That is orange, which I like bright orange like that on me personally. It is the Geely Maggie V-neck sleeveless maxi dress in red, size XL, but it is orange. V-neck, that's cute. It feels like it's lined. Yep, it's got a liner in there, so that's nice. Good picks, man. Okay, let's try everything on. Okay. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. I did not expect. Let's just say that. This is really pretty. Like, this is pretty. It is orange. It is not red. I would not call it red by any means. I even like it with this like little Target cami I have on with it. Like that would be fine. Look at it. It has this little tie. You could tie it wherever, like the back. Has the V in it too. That's pretty. And it's like the perfect length. It's really flowy. Like you could gather it there. You could put this wherever. Do we like it in the middle? I kind of like it off to the side. You guys, it's really pretty. I have a wedding to go to at the very beginning of September. It's my husband's coworker's wedding. Would this be okay? Would this be okay to wear? Or is it too bright? I think it's really pretty. What do you guys think? Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Hey, you guys, I like this dress. I think it's pretty. I know I've said that a million times. Even with my hair like this, what do we think? Flattering? I don't want to take it off. I hope it's not expensive. Anyway, okay, let's try on more stuff. Okay, here's look number 2. This is pretty cute too. This skirt's really cute, but the thing is, it's the wrinkles, man. I even had to like try to get some of the wrinkles out with that wrinkle release spray. It's so wrinkly. But it's a really pretty color. And then with the shirt with it, I think that looks cute too. The shirt is very nice. It's loose and baggy, and it's longer. So it's kind of cute. It's like if you were wearing it with like just jeans or shorts or something. Of course, you could do a tuck, or you could even unbutton it. Oh, I'm just still thinking about that dress. Although, like, am I gonna get a lot of use out of it? I don't know. You could unbutton it, and tie it up. And that'd be cute too. That's cute. My battery's running out. Let's try on the last top. Okay, this top's really cute too. Oh, does it even look okay with like these bra straps? I don't know. I'm over strapless bras, you guys. I'm in my mid-30s. I'm just not gonna deal with them anymore. I figure my hair covers them. It's fine. So this is really cute too. Really cute. Okay. It's got like a little scallop edge there too. The only thing I don't like is how like, you know, my cleavage is where it's supposed to be and then it like cuts over weird. So like, I don't know. That's cute too. It's cute too. Okay, let's go for prices and see what I'm gonna keep. It's like honestly a 5 for $5, I would say. Prices. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I feel like I'm like, I don't know, really short. I am really short. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. The Geely Maggie V-neck sleeveless maxi dress is only $34.97. Sorry, $34.97. I think I gotta keep it, especially because I am being charged the styling fee now. I know a lot of you commented that you still had yours. I still had mine for a while, but I had gotten an email that was like, we're taking that away. So yeah, so I already have $20 invested in this box. So that dress will only cost me $14.97. I have to keep it. I have to keep it. The Moto Lux Palermo Stitch Detail Clutch in blue, $38. And really, this might be a 5 out of 5 box, quite honestly. We'll see. But like for all intents and purposes, this is a 5 out of 5. Because this is really awesome too. It has so many storage pockets. I might want to keep that. $38. The 9 Britain Tilly Faux Wrap Cropped Blouse in purple, $39. The Market & Spruce Donna Button Down Shirt in dark green, $45. And the Market & Spruce Luna Button Front Skirt, $49. Sorry. So the whole box, $205.97. If I keep everything, you get 25% off. So it'll be $154.48, and then minus my styling fee. So $134.48 for everything. And that's a really good Stitch Fix price box, if I say so myself, which I just did. So for sure keeping that orange dress. I liked that. That would look cute under like a blazer or something too. But for sure keeping that orange dress. You know, events are bound to come up. And it's like not so fancy that you couldn't just wear it, I think. So yeah. This is a 5 out of 5 box. You know, come on. How long has it been? Yay! Okay. 5 out of 5. I think I'm gonna keep everything. Do you think I should? Let me know down below. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, comment a purse emoji. Comment a purse. Just do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great summer, and I will see you next time.